If happiness had a volume button, ours would definitely be on max. And you know what? We wouldn't turn it down for anything. Unhindered playtime here isn't just free play, because when they are loud, that's joy, that's freedom. Those shouts, they are not noise, they are stories in motion. Sometimes adults see chaos, but I see confidence and tiny experiments happening real time. While the world says sit still and learn, we say move, build, imagine, explore, because real happening doesn't whisper, it shouts with joy. At I Discover Global School, we just don't teach, we help them to discover themselves. Learning is loud, joyful. Noise? Nah, that's growth in progress. Tag your tribe and hit follow for more happy mess.